Hey everyone, it's Erin Floda here, and I am here just to give you kind of an intro into what's going on today. I am showing you my setup of my office. Well, partial setup, it's part one of the setup. A full office tour will be coming at some point later, but you'll get to see me putting away some stuff. So it's kind of like a clean with me / office setup, but I hope you guys like it, and I will include some information in the voiceover. And I can't wait to show you guys the whole office. It's really coming together. So I will see you in my next video, which will be my weekly on Wednesday. But I really wanted to get this up because I was really excited about it. So I will see you then. Bye, everyone. Sorry about how schlubby I look in most of this video. It is a lot of work to get to a house together and to get an office together, so I wanted to be as comfortable as possible. So in this part of the video, I am putting my desk together. So there's lots of different parts to this. Luckily, it was able to come apart pretty easily, but putting it back together is a little bit more difficult, especially doing it by yourself. As you can see, my husband came in and then left because he was working on the bathroom with his dad. So there was a lot going on at this point of the day. So I'm going to keep working on this, and I will be right back to show you the next part. I think I actually did forget to put in 2 screws somewhere because they're just magically sitting here on my desk and I don't know where they are supposed to go. But the desk is sitting upright, so at least that's something, and it's going into the center of my office. And then this washi, oh my goodness, putting together all of this washi. I actually got 2 new washi holders, which are from Michael's because they were on sale for half off. So I couldn't pass up that opportunity, and they were larger than the ones that I got from Amazon. So the ones that I got from Amazon are gonna hold like the not premier type of washi, you know, like the Michael's brands and Amazon brands and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to color code and put all of these Simply Gilded washi tapes away into one section, and then I have all of the 5mm that are going together, and then I decided to put 10 and the 15mm together. I don't know, I'm not really happy with how I did it. I'm probably gonna have to redo this entire thing, but at least it's now like not just sprawled out all over the floor like I have it right now. So at least that's something. once you're like finishing up an activity, but then you have to start the next one. So I'm just unpacking boxes. So I got this bookcase that was on sale, and so basically the idea is to put together, I have my Harry Potter shelf down in that bottom right corner, but everything else, I'm still not really sure if I like how it's set up, but I really wanted to put most of my machines there, but then I went and got a new printer, and the printer is way too big for this bookcase. So I need to kind of figure out what else I'm gonna do, because I put all my shipping supplies in the closet that's in my office because it's not very pretty. And because this is open-faced, I just don't really know how I want to handle that. So I don't know. I'll be moving a lot of things around in this portion of the video, and it's not even going to be how it ends up later. So I don't know. But I'm going to show you the process anyways. You can say hi to my cat Mason, and Max will come in here shortly. I didn't know they were doing half of this stuff while I was working on this because I was kind of in the zone. So they blocked the shot at some point, and I'm sorry for that. But he's really cute, so he can do whatever he wants, apparently. So I'm just putting away all of the pens using the same holders that I had in my previous video where you saw my desk tour. But I'm trying to keep my desk very free so that I have space to work on it, because I felt like I wasn't having enough space with all of my pens stacked everywhere, and I can get up and walk 2 steps. So I decided to put all of my pens in that storage unit rather than on top of my desk where it kind of becomes cluttered.